Federal agents in the Chicago area are now being told to wear body cameras. A federal judge issued a temporary restraining order restricting how immigration agents can use crowd control devices like pepper balls or tear gas against nonviolent protesters and journalists. Today, that judge said she was concerned those orders are not being followed. Our investigative reporter Bennett Haeberle has much more.
Judge Sarah Ellis's temporary restraining order came about after a group of demonstrators and journalists sued the Trump administration over the use of chemical agents outside the ICE processing center in Broadview. Today in court, Judge Ellis said, quote, "I'm having serious concerns that my order is being followed," adding that that is why she called this hearing after seeing some events in the news recently. She now wants to hear directly from an ICE field director and says she's amending her temporary restraining order to ask that federal agents start wearing body-worn cameras. Now, since issuing that temporary restraining order last Thursday, we have reported on two separate incidents where chemical agents were used between federal agents and demonstrators. One of those incidents happened over the weekend at Albany Park. The second being this clash between federal agents and demonstrators on Tuesday at 105th and Avenue N down in Chicago's East Side neighborhood. That is where Border Patrol agents were involved in a pursuit, a collision, and a crowd formed in that area afterwards. Chicago police said they were trying to de-escalate that situation when individuals threw objects at federal agents. 13 Chicago police officers were affected by the chemicals. At least 4 people were detained, including 2 undocumented people involved in that pursuit, and 2 others, both of whom were described as U.S. citizens by their family members. Now, according to a transcript of today's court hearing, attorneys representing the U.S. government said it could be difficult to have some of the ICE agents begin wearing body cameras because those assigned to the Chicago area right now don't have them. It may be possible, though, that custom border and patrol agents could be assigned to wear those. Those have been rolled out, according to attorneys representing the government. A hearing on this matter is set for Monday at 10:30 in federal court. Bennett Haeberle, NBC5 investigates.